Hello, welcome to Acti Learning Music. Today we'll be looking at basic rhythms and note values. The shape of the note tells you its value. Each note has a unique shape which is associated with a certain number. A semi-breve is 4 beats, like 1, 2, 3, 4. It's also called a whole note. A minim is 2 beats, like 1, 2, and it's also known as a half note. A crotchet is 1 beat, like 1, and it's also known as a quarter note. Okay, so to review, semi-breve 4, minim 2, crotchet 1. Now let's try tapping a rhythm. So we've got 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2. Okay, so notice how we held the minims for 2 beats. Let's try this rhythm. Okay, notice there's a repeat here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And again, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to try counting a different way, which will be counting out all of the numbers in the bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Now we also have a dotted minim, which is also known as a dotted half note, and this is 3 beats long, like 1, 2, 3. Now we're trying a new rhythm with dotted rhythms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Try that one again. Now the time signature of music is when music is organised into different groups. So in this case, it will be organised into groups of 4. So when the music is in groups of 4, it will be in 4/4 time, and it will be separated by bar lines like you can see here. And each bar will equal 4 beats. Okay, so have a look at this. Each bar has a missing note, and each bar needs to add up to 4. So for example, the first bar, there's 3 beats there. So you need to think about what note would you add to make it equal 4, and then do so for the rest of the bar. Maybe pause the video and have a go. The answers are coming up now. Okay, here we go. So in the first bar, you can see we added a crotchet. In the second bar, we added extra note there. So each bar now equals 4 beats. Okay, so you can try tapping this rhythm now. Okay, just try tapping along and make sure you keep a steady beat always. When the time signature is in 3/4 time, then it's organised into groups of 3. Yeah, like this as well. They're all separated by bar lines, as you can see. Okay, let's try tapping this rhythm. We're only going to play this once, but you can pause the video and try again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you can try that again. Maybe remember you can also go slower, and you can go faster. So the rhythm could be quite slow, like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's try another one. We're going to go a little bit faster for this one. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Excellent, well done, that was brilliant. Okay, so let's review. We've got a semi-breve, which is 4 beats, a minim, which is 2 beats, a crotchet, 1 beat, and a dotted minim, 3 beats. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and visit our website for free resources.